Welcome back to CarCulturestate, where we dive into everything on wheels. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Hyundai Creta, a car that has been making waves across the SUV market. Hyundai has taken what was already a popular compact SUV and refined it even further. Let's dive deep into what makes the new Creta a strong contender in its segment and why it's turning heads wherever it goes. Starting off with the design, the 2025 Creta gets a bold new face. The front grille is now more upright and squared off, giving it a more muscular, SUV-like stance. Hyundai has gone with a parametric dual design language, which includes a striking LED light signature that blends into the grille and continues into sleek, horizontal DRLs. The headlamps sit lower on the bumper, and the overall profile is more aggressive than ever before. From the side, the silhouette remains largely similar to the outgoing model, but subtle changes like new alloy wheel designs, chunkier wheel arches, and more defined body lines give it a more mature and premium presence. At the back, the Creta now sports connected LED tail lamps, which not only look modern but also give the SUV a wider visual appearance. The bumper is redesigned with faux skid plates, adding a bit more ruggedness to the overall look. Now let's move to the inside, where Hyundai has made significant upgrades. Step into the 2025 Creta and the first thing you'll notice is the dual-screen layout. You get a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Both screens are sharp, responsive, and seamlessly integrated into a single panel, giving the cabin a clean, high-tech look. The infotainment supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, although in some variants it's still wired. Navigation, voice commands, and connected car tech are all present and executed well. The dashboard design has been reworked too, with soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and new aircon vents that feel more upmarket. Hyundai has also added features like dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, a Bose premium sound system, wireless charging, and a powered driver's seat. The rear seat comfort has improved as well. You get ample legroom, good under-thigh support, rear AC vents, and a center armrest. There's also a sunblind on the rear windows, which is a nice touch for those hot sunny days. When it comes to powertrains, the 2025 Hyundai Creta gives you options. There's the 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, which is smooth and refined, and then there's the 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine, which adds a punchy, spirited feel to the drive. The turbo petrol, paired with the 7-speed DCT, delivers excellent performance for both city driving and highway cruising. And of course, there's the 1.5-liter diesel engine, which continues to impress with its torque delivery and fuel efficiency. You can choose between manual and automatic transmissions across these engines.